See, comparing more than two populations, 3 metro cities, the corresponding sales is given. 3 metro cities, corresponding sales of that fuel in terms of volume is given. We are going to check whether the sales is equal in all the cities or not. Okay, so what is the hypothesis here? The gasoline sales is equal in all the cities. Okay, so columns, you have to change this in terms of rows. Okay, so now you see. So now you see, what is the F value, what is the P value? You know the analysis of variance, the one-way analysis of variance, one-way classification, two-way classification, then factorial experiment, what is available in the experimental designs. So this is nothing but the one-way analysis of variance, one-way classification. So now you see, how many metros? 3 metros. So here the degrees are put on
3 minus 1, 2.
Then this is nothing but the residual. This is nothing but the total. Sum of square due to treatment, error. The total, mean sum square. What is mean sum square? Sum square divided by degrees are put on. Then this is your F value. If you have the statistical table value, then you compare, give the conclusion. But the software gives the P value. Based on that, we can give the conclusion. So this is your critical value, table value. So what is the P value here? Whether it is 2.7, is it 2.7? Point not up to 7 not, then it is 2.7, 27. Okay. So what is the alpha generally? 0.05. This one is less than. Rejected. So what about the conclusion? The high pass is rejected. Stronger bold or something. High pass is rejected. If you are going to accept only, there is no evidence to reject or accept the high pass. Okay. So now you see point not, the high pass rejected. What is that? The sales, gasoline sales of 3 processes. Then the corresponding score. Whether the methods teaching significant or not. The students from rural, town, city, where there are almost same or not. So when you check this one. So now see, A is repeated 3 times. B is repeated 3 times. C is repeated 3 times. That means replication. In experimental design, that word is called replication. Generally, treatment block and room. Treatments, blocks, then how many times repeated? Replications. So now how will you perform this analysis? This is two-way analysis. How will you perform this two-way analysis? Using our Excel tools, data analysis, two-way factor with replication. Okay, input range complete from this one. The rows per sample. How many samples? 3. Okay. New oxide. Okay. Now you see how many observations, average, some discrete statistics. Let us see the last one. It is nothing but the methods of teaching. This one is nothing but the students come from the rural area, town area, city area, the corresponding. Then interaction. These two factors, interaction effect. If it is replication, then only the interaction effect is present. If it is not replicated, the interaction effect is not present. Okay. So now you see the corresponding P value for each. So this P value, not. What is the sample? It is nothing but our teaching methods. What's our hypothesis here? Two-way classification. We have 2 hypotheses. The first one is the methods of teaching is equal. It's not significant otherwise. Next, region equal, not significant otherwise. Okay. So the hypothesis that you are going to accept or reject. Check it. Not. The first hypothesis rejected. Rejected means equal hypothesis rejected. They are assuming equal. That is not significant. They are rejected. That means significant. The teaching effect is significant. Okay, teaching is significant in these regions. For scoring the students. Okay. Now what our next one is? Again that also rejected. Not like that. These two are rejected. So not equal. rural people score some higher mark, or city people score some higher mark. Okay, you compare that marks. So it is also rejected. Similarly, interaction only is accepted. I think so. Interaction, the teaching and combination, both is accepted. Rural, town, city, no replications here. So no interaction. That's why we selected here. Take this without replication. Okay, input range. So no label. Suppose if you select like that, no label. What you see? Accepted. Which one? Teaching is not significant. The second one is rejected. The area unequal. The region is unequal. Significant. The region is significant. This one is not. It's clear. This is 2A.